Love is in the air, and your guardian angels want to provide insights into significant events and your luck in the near future. Have you ever felt that someone special might be hiding their feelings for you? Noticed glances that quickly look away when you notice, or shy smiles that seem to reveal more than words? What if the person you least expect is secretly longing to be closer? Are you ready to explore the signs and understand the crucial role these hidden emotions might play in your journey? Discover right now how this revelation can change your life and guide your future. Remember, it is important to be aware of the presence of a sign of synchronicity in this video, which is rooted in certain aspects of your life. Therefore, it's a good idea to watch until the end to fully benefit from the message of your guardian angels. In this context, although you might be aware of who this person is, their confession will still be a complete surprise. This is especially true once you realize how long they've kept their feelings hidden. Have you ever paused for a moment to reflect on the possibility that maybe your everyday actions, those done without expecting anything in return, might have touched someone's heart around you more deeply than you imagine? This question, though it may seem simple, carries an invitation to dive deeper into how we perceive our own actions and the impact they might have on the lives of those around us. Often, it can be challenging to recognize the value of our own actions. This is especially true for those among us who naturally tend to put others first, minimizing our own achievements and the effect they have on the world around us. The truth is, you may not realize how much your actions, no matter how simple, can be significant to someone who is closely observing. Whether it's a smile offered on a difficult day, a listening ear in a time of need, or even that message sent at the right moment, your actions have the power to deeply affect someone's life. The question then becomes not just an invitation for self-analysis, but a reminder that you, in your essence, have the potential to be the reason someone feels loved, appreciated, and possibly even in love. In this context, understanding that you are undoubtedly deserving of love and admiration is not an exercise in vanity but of self-acceptance. It is important to recognize that even without trying, you can be the light in someone's life, simply by being who you are. The challenge of recognizing your own achievements and their importance can be great, especially if you are not in the habit of putting yourself first or acknowledging your own merits. However, it is essential to understand that every small action, every gesture of kindness, every moment of understanding and support contributes to the mosaic of who you are and the positive impact you have on the world. In a message of profound wisdom and understanding, your guardian angels want to tell you this: the tendency to underestimate your own achievements, especially when you are naturally inclined to put the needs and well-being of others above your own. This altruistic disposition, while laudable and reflecting the purest form of kindness, carries with it the risk of neglecting your own value and achievements. It is a gentle reminder that in the act of caring for others, you must not forget to take care of yourself. The message here is clear: even in the pursuit of maintaining balance and promoting the happiness of those around us, it is crucial not to lose sight of the value of self-knowledge and self-appreciation. There is incomparable beauty in recognizing and celebrating your own deeds, for each small victory, each act of kindness, each moment of overcoming is a testament to your character and your ability to positively influence the world around you. The analogy of trying to know yourself as if you were getting to know a new person is particularly powerful. Imagine dedicating the same time, interest, and effort to exploring your own essence, passions, and motivations that you usually reserve for understanding someone you love or admire. This process of discovery can reveal layers and depths of your being that you might never have noticed or given due importance to. Dedicating time to really getting to know yourself is an invitation to a fascinating journey to the heart of your identity, where you can discover not only what motivates you, but also what inspires you, what brings joy to your heart, and what ignites the flame of your passion. As you embark on this journey of self-exploration, you might be surprised by how intriguing and multifaceted you are. Through the eyes of others, you can begin to see reflections of your own light that, until then, remained hidden in the shadows of humility and neglected self-care. This profound message carries with it a dimension that transcends simple understanding of others' feelings, diving into the deep waters of self-knowledge and introspection. It speaks to you about the importance of tuning in not only to the hearts of others, but crucially, to your own heart, exploring and understanding your inner emotions and how you relate to the world around you. This invitation to reflection is anchored in the idea of clairvoyant thinking, a mysterious and fascinating phenomenon where your intuitions and thoughts seem to predict or invoke future events, creating an indelible link between your inner being and the fabric of the cosmos. These moments of clairvoyance, where what you imagine or think materializes in the real world, are testimonies of a deeply rooted cosmic connection, often underestimated or even ignored in your daily life. This connection is not mere coincidence or a chance of fate. It is a manifestation of your intrinsic attunement with the universe, a clear sign that you are in harmony with the energies that surround you and guide your path. This perception of synchronicity not only reveals your ability to intuit and foresee, but also serves as a powerful reminder that you are not isolated on your life's journey. On the contrary, you are immersed in a web of cosmic interconnections that protect and guide you. Recognizing and valuing these signs of synchronicity is acknowledging that you are part of something much greater, a universe that communicates with you in subtle but significant ways. Your intuition, that inner voice that often whispers deep truths, is one of the most powerful tools you have to navigate this complex and often chaotic world. It is the bridge between the known and the unknown, the visible and the invisible, the material and the spiritual. By paying attention to your clairvoyant thoughts and the synchronicity in your life, you open your heart and mind to a deeper understanding of yourself and the role you play in the world. Therefore, this message is an invitation for you to look inward, to explore the depths of your being, and to recognize the beauty and power of your connection with the universe. It is a call to trust your intuition, to listen to the subtle messages that the cosmos sends, and to see these moments of clairvoyance not just as intriguing curiosities but as reminders that you are protected, guided, and infinitely connected to the mysterious forces of the universe. Ultimately, it is a reminder that by fully embracing this connection, you can live a fuller, richer life, more aligned with your true purpose and the divine forces that shape and move you. I want to end with a prayer for you. Lord, I lift up my prayers to you on behalf of the kind and generous soul who will soon find the warmth of a sincere love confession from a dear friend. You who watch over all of us with eyes full of mercy and unconditional love, know her heart deeply, always filled with kindness, always putting others' needs before her own, radiating light and comfort to those fortunate enough to cross her path. I ask, Lord, that you surround her with your divine presence, gently guiding her through this new chapter of her life. I implore you to help her realize the immense value she carries within, that inner beauty that shines more brightly than the stars in the night sky. May she recognize the preciousness of her essence, the depth of her being, and may this revelation strengthen her heart and soul. Grant her, through your endless generosity, the wisdom to listen to her intuition, that subtle voice echoing your guidance. May she feel secure and supported by universal protection, knowing that every choice made with an open heart and truth is blessed by you. May she find the courage to embrace the feelings that arise, allowing herself to live each emotion fully and gratefully. I also ask, O Father, that you fill her with confidence in her ability to navigate these new experiences and sensations. May she know she is not alone on this journey, for your divine presence is a constant, a beacon of light guiding her steps towards true love and self-discovery. I end this prayer with a heart full of hope, placing in your wise and loving hands the destiny and well-being of the one who is about to discover new dimensions of love and affection. May she feel cradled by your peace, supported by your love, and inspired by your wisdom. Amen. Your guardian angels depart with these words. When your friend confesses their feelings to you, listen to what your intuition has to say. If you are worried about making the wrong decision, know that the universe always leans in your favor. All you need to do is follow what you believe is right. Type 444 to claim this message and the blessings within for yourself. Leave a positive comment for other viewers who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness that fuels the cycle of good karma. You will be spreading positivity and will receive the blessings of the universe in return. Let's uplift each other and create waves of good energy together. Do you really know who is destined to be your true soulmate? I feel that you are entering a new chapter of your spiritual quest. Change is coming, and strong emotions are about to unfold. But this premonition is not just about you. Another soul, your soulmate, is about to come into focus. Today I am sharing with you that there is a possible image of your true soulmate. Click the link in the description to see this image. The universe is bringing you closer. Will you recognize them? Or will you soon meet this person to finally be with the beloved you are destined to be with? Some people are skeptical, but once they read the real stories of people who ordered a drawing and then met their soulmate, they will be amazed. Using the universe as a guide to connect them yields truly incredible results. You need to see this picture to understand what I mean. Click the link in the description to see the drawing of your soulmate. An important message is waiting for you in the next video. Will you hear it? As you reflect on this information, recognize the power you possess in shaping the narrative of your relationships. Each gesture, each word, and each recognition contribute to the legacy of understanding and connection in your journey of relationships. Always remember that the path may be full of twists and turns, but it is the shared stories, the rebuilt bridges, and the collective memories that make it truly valuable. Stay tuned for the next important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.